to the U to the E, man. Where the hood, where the hood at? Had a nigga in the truck where the wood at. All the niggas acting up where the wolves at.
What's up, Internet? Corey back with a random Craigslist deal. I believe my people are just pulling up right now. I think. Get that loot out. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. I mean, you can see all four.
All right. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. So, we have here Animal Crossing Wild World, Mario Party DS, Mario Kart DS, and lastly, but definitely not least, Mario and Luigi Partners in Time. This game alone goes for about $28, I believe, according to price charting. And that whole deal just cost me $24, and they were able to meet me relatively close to my house. So it's actually time for me to get to the thrift store and see what's up. So, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and keep it real, Internet.